Hello to you, my viewers, my listeners, and subscribers out there. You are welcome to my FX Academy. Today's video, I want to look on a top-down analysis for step index. Majority of us actually trade the step index, and as you all can know, the step index is a very volatile market, and you I want to teach you or show you ways you can trade this market with confidence without fear. You know, when you actually get into the market at the right position, you can ride it with confidence and actually milk the market and make good money. For it, the forex market is the largest market online in the whole world where people do buy and sell commodities, foreign exchanges and all that. Now, this is Mikey's FX Academy. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button on your device so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever a video with useful information like this is dropped on this channel. Now, this is our contact number. You can always reach us, on this number. Reach via WhatsApp. We want to communicate with you. Whatever thing you want to learn, whatever market you want to learn. We have a mentorship program that is ongoing. 6 weeks intensive class training online. Be able to train you to be a smart trader, a guru, a very profitable trader. You can thumb up, give a like on this video if this you find if this video is useful to you. If it's of a great value to you, you can give it a thumb up. If you like this video, it will help us to grow. Now today I'm going to look at I want to look at the step index. Now this is the step index market. I know majority of us are always scared of trading the step index because um, if you don't know how to trade this market, it will you can burn your account, you can blow up your account, and start all over again. It is not wise. It's not actually wise to to blow up account and starting all over again. Sourcing for funds to start all over. It's not really wise. Now, I want us to do this analysis this way, just a short video on what the trend is saying and how to actually catch the trend. Looking at the step index from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, this is what we are actually seeing. This is what it is saying. Now, if you look at it very well, we have the trend in the chart in this manner. This is what is actually happening. As you can see, we have strong fall, strong move down, and this is a corrective move. As you can see, this is a corrective move. This is a corrective move, and we also have another move, push downward. As you can see, this is impulsive move. Now this is a corrective move. We have another impulsive move down, and we have a corrective, move upward. And what do you think, or what do you expect? Well, supposed to see price falling downward, price falling downward. And this is the monthly time frame. But for us to catch this trend, I just want to do an analysis for us to catch this trend to know how to actually jump in and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride as we are seeing it. Now, if we turn on to the line graph, you can actually see what is going on. An impulsive move, correction, impulsive. I say this is a kind of correction, impulsive. Now having a correction, a rejection, and I think we're going to see something like this, then continuation. Now, I also want to introduce to you these indicators, and I know majority of us think these things don't work. They actually work. I actually enjoy using them in my chart, in my trend. And if you don't know how to set them up, if you don't know how to make use of these, you can actually contact me. I can teach you, guide you, show you how to actually make use of these indicators. Now let's go back to our chart. Let's go back to our chart. I'll refer to this later, but let's go back to our chart and look at the picture of what you might likely see for today. Going to the weekly time frame. Um, we are, like I said, we are in a strong downtrend, and I have an indicator that is actually giving me a picture of what is going on. This is the candle stick pattern indicator. Tells me when there's a bearish engulfing candle, what to do is to jump into the trend. Imagine the weekly time frame when you have a bearish engulfing candle. Let me turn on the candlestick. See a bearish engulfing candle, and look what happened. The next candle formed. We have another bearish engulfing candle, and what happened? Price kept falling. The more the bearish engulfing candle. So if you have this candlestick pattern indicator in your system, you can actually ride the trend. You understand? And we also have candles like the dark cloud. These are where we can actually get a reversal. This dark cloud candle pattern, actually there are zones where we can actually get reversal. When price push to that zone, we can actually get a push down. you know and then looking at the price on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, let's go to the current position of things, and this is what is actually happening on the daily time frame. If you have to look at the price on the line chart, you can actually see what is happening. Price fell, came all the way, and this was what actually happened. Looking at it from the daily time frame. Let me minimize this a bit too. Just want to sharpen your memory on this. This is the step index. Remember this. Remember this multiple touch. Remember this multiple touch. What happened when you see something like this, a strong trend like this? What happened? How to sell this? How to sell these candles. This is the step index. This is the step index. What do you do? How to sell and how to make profit on this? You look at it gets a trend line. This is it. This is a trend line. This is a trend line. This is actually the trend line where you get multiple touches on the trend line, where you have multiple rejections and break, and this is what we actually have. This is a trend line. And what happened next on the trend line? You get a horizontal line. You get a horizontal line and place at the break. At the break, the candle that breaks through the trend line. This is it. This is the candle that breaks through the trend line. This is it. You place a horizontal line on the candle that break and close on the trend line. This is our point of entry. This is our point of entry. You can take this as our entry. You can see it's a strong. Let me show you something. One big trick here. When you see this is a bearish engulfing candle pattern formed here. This candle is engulfing this whole candle. You see, this is a strong indication of a downtrend. That is why I said people think indicators don't work. I want to guarantee you and I want to assure you that these indicators work. This is a strong. Let me turn it off. You can also see it if it turned off. That is a strong signal for us to take a sell position. It's a strong signal for us to take a sell position, but I'll just leave it on. So it gives you a strong signal. See this blue arrow pointing downward. It's a strong signal for us to ride the trend. And what happened now? Let's look at where we have multiple rejection. Where we have multiple rejection, support and resistance. And as you can see, if you go to if you push left, right a bit, left a bit, you can see we have rejections. We have support and resistance. This price acting on this line as support and resistance. Look at what happened. We have multiple rejection on this line. We have multiple rejection on this horizontal line, and here we have multiple rejection on from the upside, which is this zone is acting as a support. This is a support and resistance zone If you have to draw um, um, a rectangular, these are rectangular tool. Now you can see this is a strong zone where we have price acting as support and resistance, and see how it's played. If I have to take it downwards, see multiple touches. If I have to take it further downward, you see, you know, it's a strong zone. This zone has been respected for a very long time. It is a strong zone, you know. This zone has been respected for a very long, multiple touches all the way. This is how you can actually cash, make money trading the step index. See multiple touches, and what happened? Look at what happened. I picked this point as my take profit zone, where we have multiple rejection zone. Okay, this is my TP, this is my entry, and you are good to go. You make your money, that's easy. This is your entry, this is your take profit. Let me just make a mark. This is my TP, this is my TP, this is my TP zone, and this is my entry. This is my entry, and boom, you are good to go. Imagine how many pips. If you have to calculate the pips, let's see what we have. This is up to like um, this is the daily time frame. We have about 1,361 pips. Imagine how much you would have generated trading um, these positions. You understand? It's so simple, so easy to understand. But if you still don't get it, you can always call in. You can also always write in. You can write in. You can call. The number is there. This is the number. You can call me on WhatsApp. You can write me on WhatsApp. You can also subscribe for our mentorship program. If you want account management, that will be an easy deal, between you and the academy, and we'll be able to manage account for you and do help you to grow from any stage, from small to big. This is how to trade the volatility, the step index, boom and crash, even the major forex, and you make good money daily. This this has been working. You have to know the right steps to take in order to get these things done, in order to make money on from the forex market. So that is it, guys. It's not every day. You don't just trade every day, jump into the market, and you have to look for a perfect place to enter the market. You have to look for a perfect place to enter the market, and if you do, you enter swiftly, you jump in, you take your profit, and you are out of the market. You can actually trade with this pattern every day, and make money out of the market. It's so easy, just like that. It is just like that. You can make money out of this every day. This is another position where you can actually make profits, make profit, and you are out of the market. You are out of the market. Just look for where you can pick as a support and resistance. Look left. Look left. If there is none, you pick the nearest 3 to 4 touches. Understand? You can also come down. You can come down, pick the one that has multiple. Look for multiple touches. You can also use here. This place has multiple touches. Look at rejection below. You can come up a bit. Look for multiple touches. We have rejection. Rejection above and below. You pick this as your zone, and you are out of the market. with these little steps, you can actually make money and make money every day. You know, every time when the period, the chart or the trend is set, is right, you can actually make money and you're out of the market. And that is it, guys. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, give a thumb up this video that will create value to you. And you can communicate if you want to set up indicators. You want good indicators that actually work on the trend. You know, these indicators are not free though, but can also assist you. You need a good laptop, you need a desktop computer, you know, that can actually help you to do technical analysis. You need technical analysis in order to make money, in order to write trade successfully. And if you don't know how to do technical analysis, you can also communicate with us, and I'll be able to guide you. We have 6 week intensive training, intensive class where you can actually learn how to trade like a guru, trade like a professional, and actually know how or how to understand your chart and how to understand the trend. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for viewing. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now.